Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to turn any raw product photo into a clean white background image in Photoshop. Now let's get started.
If you sell products online or just want your images to look more professional, this is a game changer. First, open Photoshop and load your image. Now head over to the Layers panel and unlock your background layer by clicking the little lock icon. Next, go to the toolbar and select the Object Selection tool. Now click on your product and Photoshop will automatically detect and select the main subject. Pretty cool, right? Now go up to the top and click on Select and Mask. On the right side, scroll down to Output Settings and set Output to as Layer Mask. Then click OK. And just like that, your background is removed. You'll see a checkerboard pattern behind your product. That means it's transparent. Now let's add that clean white background. Next, create a new layer and fill that layer with white color. Now bring the product layer to the top of the layer menu. And there you go, instant clean background. Take a second here and place your object where you want. Now to export your image, go to File, click on Export, then click Export As. Now choose JPEG or PNG, turn off the transparency mode and click Export. Simple and professional. Now let me show you an alternative method just in case you need it. Go up to Image, then Adjustments and click on Replace Color. In the Replace Color window, select the eyedropper tool. Now click on the background, then use the plus eyedropper to sample more areas. This helps you capture the entire background evenly. Now adjust the fuzziness slider around 60 to 65, but feel free to fine tune it. Once the background is fully selected, move the lightness slider all the way to the right. This turns the background pure white. When it looks clean, click OK, and that's it. You now have a sharp, professional looking product image with a clean white background, perfect for e-commerce portfolios or social media.